Welcome to Pancakes with Jam, an annual accidental tradition at Holston Valley Unitarian Universalist Church. As always, please remember to send in your pledge. Information on how is on our website, hvuuc.org. Please enjoy this homegrown musical gift from our many talented congregants. And may you all enjoy blessings and peace in 2021.
Just keep going, Rob Bettins.
Smile and keep going.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay, got it. Okay. Bum away. Bum
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
Molita mai joy moline moji data is moya nemoji data is moya damani klavish ni jenish damani klavish ni jenish parem yo saya godina parem yo saya godina yo sova leto proleto yo sova leto proleto dordeni doide posime dordeni doide posime dasaza spirat momine dasaza spirat momine momine napul prelkine leftera dasi pohodja kistilo dasi ponosja atima mai yo glavi yoshte yosheni molita mai joy moline moji data is moya.
Hi. Gonna do a little song for you by Carolyn Lee and Johnny Richards. It's all about attitude. It's all about how you look at things. It's called Young at Heart. Fairy tales can come true. They can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard you will find being narrow of mind if you're young at heart. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes. You can laugh when your dreams fall apart at the seams, and life gets more exciting with each passing day. And love, it's either in your heart or on its way. Don't you know that it's worth every treasure on earth to be young at heart? For as rich as you are, it's much better by far to be young at heart. And if you should survive to 105, think of all you'll derive out of being alive. And here is the best part. You've got a head start if you are among the very young at heart.
way over yonder is a place that I know, where I can find shelter from a hunger and cold, and the sweet taste and good life is so easily found away over yonder. That's where I'm bound. I know when I get there, the first thing I'll see is the sun shining golden, shining right down on me. Then trouble's gonna lose me, where it leave me behind, and I'll stand up proudly in true peace of mind. I'm talking about a way over yonder is a place I have seen in a garden of wisdom from some long ago dream. Oh yeah. Ooh, maybe tomorrow I'll find my way to the land where the honey runs in the river each day. And the sweet taste and good life is so easily found way over yonder. That's where I'm bound. Oh, way over yonder. That's where I'm bound.
There was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. The
Sha la 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 dee da, just like that. Sha la 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 dee da. Sha la 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 dee da. Sha la 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 dee da la dee da.
Pearls of swine, beware of me. Long and weary my road has been. I was lost in the city, alone in the hills, no sorrow or pity for leaving I feel, yeah. I am not your rolling wheels, I am the highway. I am not your carpet ride, I am the sky. I am not your blowing wind, I am the lightning. I am not your autumn moon, I am the night. The night. Friends and liars, don't wait for me, 'cause I'll get on by myself. I put millions of miles under my heels and still too close to you I feel, yeah. I am not your rolling wheels, I am the highway. I am not your carpet ride, I am the sky. I am not your blowing wind, I am the lightning. I am not your autumn moon, I am the night. The night.
And it came to pass on a Christmas evening, while all the doors were shuttered tight, outside standing lonely boy child, cold and shivering in the night. Out on the street, every window, save but one, was gleaming bright. To this window walked the boy child, peeking in saw candlelight. Through other windows he had looked at turkeys, ducks and geese and cherry pies, but through this window saw a gray-haired lady table bare and tears in her eyes. Into his coat reached the boy child, knowing well there was little there. He took from his pocket his own Christmas dinner, a bit of cheese and some bread to share. His outstretched hand held the food, and he trembled as the door it opened wide. Said he, "Would you share with me Christmas dinner?" Gently said she, "Come inside." The gray-haired lady brought forth to the table glasses too, and her last drop of wine. Said she, "Here's a toast to everyone's Christmas, and especially yours and mine." And it came to pass on that Christmas evening, while all the doors were shuttered tight, that in that town the happiest Christmas was shared by candlelight.
Sadimoma bella losa vine na libe vine na. Sadimoma bella losa vine na libe vine na. Denia sadi tvasekaje vine na libe vine. Denia sadi tvasekaje vine na libe vine na. Porosna la bella loza vine na libe vine na. Porosna la bella loza vine na libe vine na. Napilnila devet počvi sus vino lele sus vino. Napilnila devet počvi sus vino lele sus vino. Sadimoma bella loza vine na libe vine na. Sadimoma bella loza vine na libe vine na.
Hi! Happy Sunday! Hope you guys are doing well. It is so very, very good to see you. Even though I'm not actually looking at you. I had the opportunity of looking at all your beautiful faces. Well, for those of you that sent them in. For a project about a month ago. I hope you saw it. It was a smile montage. Anyway, it was very nice to see you all. And I hope that it is nice to see me. Here is my submission for Pancakes and Jam. Jammy jam jam. I hope you all are laughing and not in disgust. Ah. You say you love me, it's written in stone, but the ground I'm walking is breaking away. You're a smooth-talking man, and I like it. I don't like to play it safe, I'm a risk taker. Come take a ride with me, it'll be an earth shaker. You look a little scared, and I like it. Who knew I'd run away. There's Nook. We swore to go further than never before, but as the road got longer, the vision was poor, and the wind is in my hair, and I like it. We drove that car like we drove that year, 4 hands in the air, a knee at the wheel. I can see my mother smile, and I like it. I'm the queen of that big mistakes, and I like it. I stood taller than I could live up to, and I like it. Yeah, I like it. Woo! Love you guys. Happy New Year.